Hello everyone, welcome to Educative Newsroom, where we watch and share educative things among ourselves. Things that improve us and improve people around us. Kindly subscribe whilst we proceed. We are going to look at how to connect our phone internet to our TMI laptops or laptops in general. Okay, so subscribe whilst we proceed. We need two things here: the phone with the internet connection and then the laptop or the TMI in this case. So what you need to do is that you must first allow the phone to grant access to the laptop or the TMI laptop. Yes, it is the phone that is having the internet. So if you don't allow it, you don't make it to grant access to other devices, those devices cannot connect to it. So first of all, let's see how we are going to make the phone to grant access to others. First, we must go to the phone settings. Let's go to the phone settings. Why? So this is settings. Now inside the settings, we go to the internet or networks. That's where you normally look at it. Now you see that we have Wi-Fi here. We have mobile network, data usage, hotspot and tethering, and then SIM cards and advanced. You may be deceived to think that you need to on the Wi-Fi to grant access to other phones. No. This Wi-Fi rather is here to receive internet from other devices. For instance, if you rather want the phone to take internet from the computer, then you can on this particular one. Or you want the phone to take internet from other phones, then you can on this particular one. But because you want the phone to rather give the internet to other devices, you must rather go to the hotspot or tethering. So let's press the hotspot and tethering. As you can see, we have the Wi-Fi hotspot there. We also have the USB. You can actually USB, but that will be another thing. So let's go to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so in this instance it's already on, but if you have never used it before, it should be off this way. So now that you are here, you must on the Wi-Fi on this hotspot. Remember, we have the username here, so pay attention, because that is what you are going to use to identify whether this phone is actually showing on the TMI or the computer. So that's the phone name, and we also have the password. If this is your first time you are going to connect, it will ask you for a password, and you must press this to disclose what actually your passwords are. You can actually change this password to the one you want, but if you have never used it before, there are going to be some long letters, numbers. So it is your duty to change it to any name that you want, pet name and stuff like that, or any password that you think you can easily remember, usually 4-digit and stuff like that. So the Wi-Fi hotspot is on. I now have to go to the TMI. Now that the Wi-Fi hotspot is on, I'll come to the TMI. This is going to be your first time. So whether first time or not, you must go to the search button and just write Wi-Fi. So once you type, you see that it's even on top here, so you can press it. So now we are inside. You see Wi-Fi here? Yes. And you also see that it is off on this page as well, so you can turn it on. So our Wi-Fi is on. So when you've turned the Wi-Fi on, you should expect to see the connection at the bottom right here. The usual internet connection sign. Now when you wait for about 3 seconds to 5 seconds or maximum 10 seconds and it is not showing, that means that there's a problem with the connection. So you must come to this particular dashboard. You see that on top here we have status. When you press on the status, you see the internet connection, it is not activated. It's not connected. So it will ask you to press on the Bluetooth troubleshoot, sorry. So let's press on the troubleshoot. So now we are troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is more like diagnosing what the issues are. So we've seen something there. Select the network adapter to diagnose. If you are sure, select the last option in the list. So let's use the all network adapters. So we press next on the all network adapters. All right, so we wait. Kindly subscribe whilst we wait for the network adapter to connect. Good. So now you will notice that it has given, say, give feedback on this troubleshoot, and then close the troubleshoot. So let's see, we are going to give feedback, but because this is not what our intentions is, the feedback means we are sending information to the Google or the adapting system, the operating system, to determine what to do next. All right. So you will notice that it's saying that no internet access. What it means is that I have not on the internet on my phone. I have not on the internet on my phone here. So it means I have allowed the phone to give internet to other devices, which you can see that semicircle sign here. That is the tethering or the hotspot. So I must on the internet as well. So the internet is now connected. Good. So the 3G is on top there. Now we can go back and do the troubleshoot again. Good. Kindly subscribe whilst we proceed. Okay, so show me a list of available networks. Skip this stage. What do you want to do? You press it. Now, you've seen that at the corner here, the phone internet is there. The Techno Pop 3. Good. So you have the option to select whether to connect automatically. And the next time you connect your phone, or you want to disconnect this automatic connection, so that every time you have to input your password. So I'll make it automatic so that when I do this one, I don't have to do it again. Good. So now I've on the automatic. Good. So now you see at the bottom here that the internet sign is actually at the bottom here. It's connected. Now what it means is that because I've already connected this phone to the computer before, it did not request for the password. But if this is your first time, then it will ask you for the password. You must come to the phone, press this hotspot's password. It will show you what the password are. Then you indicate it there. Now that we have connected this to the phone to the internet before, let's see whether if we are to do it again the next time. So I'm going to off I want to off the internet, the Wi-Fi, the internet and the Wi-Fi hotspot. So this time the internet is off. Let me take away the hotspot as well. So this is a hotspot. I'm offing the hotspot as well. Good. Let me check whether it's actually off. Yeah. Internet, network and internet. The hotspot and tethering. Okay. let me off it. So I've off the internet, I've off the Wi-Fi, the hotspot tethering. Now if you check the laptop, you see that you not see any internet connection sign here. Everything is gone. When you come to the search button, even if you search the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is on, but because there's no network from the phone, I have not allowed the phone to grant its access. It will not be connected. So if we want to check that again, let's just look at the phone. In this case, I will just on the internet alone. So the internet is on. The internet is on the phone right now. But when you check the computer, still the internet is not at the bottom there. And here too, when you check the status, it's going to tell you not connected. Not connected. So what it means is that there's internet on the phone, all right, but the phone is not allowed to grant access to any other device. So let's go through the process again so that we see this. It means that the second time we have done it before, so the next time it might be easier. So let's go through the process. Let me on the settings. So this is settings. Internet, network and internet, hotspots and tethering. All right, hotspots. Let me on it. Good. So the hotspot is now on properly. Good. So you will notice that automatically it has detected, the computer have detected the hotspot. And when you look at the bottom here, you can see the internet at the bottom there. Now let's see whether to, good. So Peace FM. Good. So that is all. It is now loading. So not to waste your time, we are done. Kindly subscribe for the next episode on how to connect your phone to another phone and your computer. Let's say a modem, you're using a modem or a computer to the phone. We'll see how it is done. Thank you for watching and subscribe.